Good morning to all the food lovers. Whether you're rolling out of bed or already conquering the day, you're in for a treat. Today, we're turning a simple breakfast into a golden, crispy, mouth-watering masterpiece. Homemade French toast. And let me tell you, every time I make this, it's like my house turns into a little corner cafe, minus the long lines. So, if you're ready to make your kitchen smell incredible, let's dive right in. Here's what you need: 2 slices of thick, fluffy bread, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, or if you're anything like me and can't find a spoon, just eyeball it. Uh, Splash works. 2 farm fresh eggs, ½ cup of creamy milk, a pat of butter for that irresistible sizzles, a teaspoon of powdered sugar to enhance both the flavor and the look, a dash of cozy cinnamon to fill the air with its warm, inviting aroma, and of course, the most important ingredient, maple syrup. So good. Alright, grab a medium bowl, crack in your eggs, give them a good whisk, pour in your milk, a splash of vanilla, and a generous pin of cinnamon, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Whisk it all together until it's silky and smells like a warm bakery on a Sunday morning. Speaking of Sunday mornings, true story, my kids have ninja senses for French toast. The second that cinnamon hits the air, I hear tiny feet sprinting down the hallways like it's Christmas morning. I swear, nothing gets them out of bed faster. Anyway, back to business. Now take your bread, thicker the better, and gently dip it into the eggy goodness. Let it soak, but don't let it drown. We want soft and fluffy. You want to heat up your pan over a medium heat and toss in a little butter, what I already did. Wait for that gentle sizzle. It's like the universe giving you a little nod of approval. Lay your soaked slices down carefully and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Golden brown is what we're after. And be quick, or you have eggy drips everywhere. Ask me how I know it. So it's been cooking about 2 minutes. Look at that color. Golden and crispy edges. This is breakfast royalty, people. Flip and continue to cook for another other side for 2 to 3 minutes. I would say about 2. And finally, it's ready. Remove from the pan and put on a serving plate. Now the fun part. Top your toast with a snowy sprinkle of powdered sugar. A glossy drizzle of maple syrup. And a mountain of fresh fruits if you're feeling fancy. Can't wait for the first bite. It will be like a warm hug from someone who also brings you coffee. Trust me, after one bite, you wonder why you ever settle for boring cereal. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a delicious morning. And hey, drop me a comment below if you have any questions. I love helping you guys whip up magic in your kitchens. See you next time, and until then, keep your mornings cozy and your forks ready.